If you have lost access to your Epic Games account and need to regain ownership, follow these steps to recover it quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Go to the official Epic Games website and click on the Sign In option located at the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Select Forgot Your Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Epic Games account. Make sure to check for any typos before submitting. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Epic Games with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Secure your account. Once you regain access, enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This will help protect your account from future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully regain ownership of your Epic Games account. Remember to keep your account information secure to avoid similar issues in the future.